When we first moved into our home, we had a huge problem. Our staircase did not have side railing, which is not going to fly because we have little kids and we need some safety. So we tackled our very first project, which started off with some funny things like this huge gap, which we don't understand why they didn't just take the railing all the way to the edge. We also quickly realized that our stairs were not up to code. Each baluster was way too far apart. So we are going to show you exactly what we did to update it, make it up to code, safer, and prettier. We gained a lot of confidence learning how to use our first tools like this inexpensive drill press from Harbor Freight that started our DIY journey. This drill press allows you to drill to the desired depth, and to start off our railing, we marked every 4.5 inches, which is up to code, and we wanted to make sure it was going to be extra safe. Now that all of the holes are drilled, it's time to put in the balusters, and we went the extra mile by just putting in some wood glue, making sure that they were really secure, not going to wiggle or move at all. Since this was our first project, we actually only had this starter kit of tools by Ryobi, which we still use to this day, including this Sawzall, which was great for this project, just trimming off that extra length of those balusters. Right here you can see the gap up closer. It's longer than a foot, and we're truly not sure why they just stopped the railing, but you can see the subfloor, and they attached that newel into the subflooring. So we had to remove that first, and didn't want any time where we didn't have railing up, just because that's kind of unsafe. So we started by removing this and then quickly attached the new railing in place. We finally decided to work smarter, not harder. We installed the railing upside down, which made it a lot easier to line up those balusters and get them into the wood glue so they dried better. Code for height of your railing is anywhere between 34 and 38 inches. So we made ours 36 inches, and we feel like it's a really good height. To cut our newel, we used our circular saw because we didn't have a miter saw at the time. What we've learned is you really don't have to have all the tools to start doing your projects. We've slowly built them up over the years. After making sure everything was level, we bought 4 brackets for each side of the newel so that it would be incredibly secure, and then we screwed it into the subfloor as well. Now it's time to repeat everything on the other side. This was the railing that went from the top to the bottom of the stairs that we removed since we're making our own, going to the bottom of the stairs, and that will be our new support. Something that made this extra secure was putting in nails into each baluster at the base so there'd be no movement or wiggling, and we used 1-inch nails so that they wouldn't go through the other side. excess off some top railing and then attached the newel to the railing with 3-inch screws, which made sure that it was definitely going into the newel a good amount, but wasn't going to go through to the other side. That's it?
That's it.
Ooh. Wow. How long did it take you to do the whole staircase or stair railing up here?
It's like a week.
That's pretty good. Honestly, there was not a lot of information about how to build your own staircase railing, so we had to kind of figure it out as we went, but we love how it turned out. There's still lots to do, but this was a perfect improvement to start our DIY journey, and if you want to see how far we've come on our DIY journey, watch our home tour right here.